si benta ban snok tilang bat ki parlok jong kathan syate lami ngi bat kari India ban wan ra biang ya ka jing shong suk shong shngan hapo ka jala Manipur ka Secret Heart School Marman ha ka sautrik naitung arhajar arphulai kala penlong ya ka peace rally Hamadan Marman ha ketika peace march lawan ban sim benta dagi kena school kinong hikai jong ketika school ki sister na convent Marman haringkat ke jingwan I mensim jong u father MC Thomas STB na ka umdan parish kaladon ru ka jingra ya ki plakat ban ngolem ya ki para banget ki balamat ya ketika jingya umsnam hapo ketika jela kaladon ru ka jing duai kerpang ka bala penlong haplau ka ying mani Marman ban duai kerpang na ka benta ki mensim ki beladu no na ketika jingya kaja bat lalumru ya ka donation ka bakerpang kum si benta banok senyang syakilanot hakate ka jingya umsnam Manipur layo ru ban penlong ya ka mas bakhut ban duai kerpang na ka benta ka jing shong suk ka banwan phai biang pat hakate ka jela ya ka ni ka mas bakhut layalam da ufada MC Thomas
Heart Secondary School Marmai, we organize this peace rally. We wish with the prayer and support for the people of Manipur so that they may have a peaceful environment again, so that they may have a humanity right in the state of Manipur. So from our side, we wish with the prayer and support to the people of Manipur so that they may have the peace and harmony and forgive each other and remain in peaceful environment so that they may be able to build up to live in the peaceful life. So from our part, we wish